If you know for sure like the picture is correct, the passport, I would go ahead and just keep uploading it again until the manual verification takes over, and the manual verification, a manual team will go ahead and verify it.
So he creates like a personal account with his SSN that's real, and then he just switches out his name a little bit. He's made 8 accounts like that, and
Got it. And then he just status changes into the sole prop and into his real name.
I make a Connecticut S Corp that I'm the member of, and then I register as a multi-member on eBay and use my friend's passport. At
Yeah.
that point, I'm just interested about the taxes and stuff. It's a
It'll go to the
viable.
S corp. So Jonathan, let's start with you, man. Tell
I
me
appreciate it,
how's
man.
your week been, and if what questions that you have, yeah?
Yeah, it's been a little stressful. So you know my situation. I got 5 eBays, and we got eBay 2 and 3 currently in status change,
Mhm.
with verification. And yeah, we're dealing with some issues with that office address. Believe it or not, the remember I sent the amendment that got lost by USPS, which is really unfortunate. So I'm gonna send out another package here. I got it all made. It's gonna be next day air with UPS. Hopefully that gets there. And then it's gonna take 14 business days. So eBay 2 and 3 are both gonna get restricted. I'm gonna have about 4,000 in payment holds. That's painful for me. And also eBay 3, when I try to put in my passport or ID, it didn't get accepted. Is that because eBay 2 is linked with the same stuff and it's also under?
No. Did you use the exact same picture? Or
Yeah,
like
I tried passport pictures first and it just didn't work. And then I tried the same driver's license photo and that didn't work.
mm, okay, interesting. Interesting. So the name on the account for the primary contact, it matches exactly with the passport or driver license, yeah?
Exactly. Yeah, the only thing that doesn't match right now is the address, but with the passport it should be fine. So I don't know why it didn't work.
So for the primary contact address, send the passport again, right?
Yep. I tried
Uh,
2 angles. It didn't work, but I'll try it again now. And
exactly.
again, I did driver's license for eBay 2, that worked, but for eBay 3 for some reason it's not working.
The same exact picture, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what it could be that, sometimes it doesn't get accepted for the angles or whatever, right? So there's two ways that it gets verified. One, by an AI, right?
Yeah.
Two, if the AI fails, it goes into a manual verification by the third party, and the manual verification goes ahead and approves it. So if you know for sure like the picture is correct, the passport, I would go ahead and just keep uploading it again until the manual verification takes over, and the manual verification, a manual team will go ahead and verify it.
So I'll just keep re-uploading my passport, make sure it's great quality picture. I don't think it matters if I do it sideways or like this. I'm just gonna put it in.
It just has to be square, and like if it's an AI reading it,
Read it
they're gonna
horizontal,
scan it.
left to right, yeah. So
Right.
yeah, okay. So then I'll just keep spamming them until I get the manual and it should match. And again, address doesn't match, but I don't be a problem because it's not on it. So
Right.
but
Exactly.
that's what I'll do for eBay 3. And then look, man, eBay 2 and 3 are both gonna get like eBay 3, they're only giving me 3 more days. They only gave me like a week. So that's gonna get suspended earlier than I thought. And it's probably gonna be until like mid-August now because of these delays until any office gets updated for my address.
Hmm.
So I'm just gonna have to tank it, I think. I was talking to Naveen, he said that they shouldn't be suspended for a long time. It should just be restricted.
It will be restricted.
Yeah. They
Yeah, it
should.
won't be suspended. Restricted suspension, same thing, kind of.
Well,
It'll be
suspension's like
restricted.
when they delete all your stuff and kind of delete your account. Naveen told me that happened to
It'll
one of
be
his friends
restricted.
after like 9 months or something.
It happened to me too. Like I
Yeah.
had an account restricted like that because I didn't upload the passport, and then I got it. I did it like 3 months later, and then it was okay.
All right, awesome.
Yeah.
And then, so that I guess that kind of is my situation right now. The only other 2 things I wanted to talk about briefly was again just expanding whether it's because I talked to Rory, he does sole prop status change. That's another option. And then
So what do
whether
you mean sole prop status change?
so he creates like a personal account with his SSN that's real, and then he just switches out his name a little bit, and that's how he goes about it. And
Okay,
he's made 8 accounts like that, and
got it. And then he just status changes into the sole prop and into his real name.
yeah, exactly. That's what he
Uh,
does. So
yeah.
that's one idea. The other one was we had this whole thing, man, where like I make a Connecticut S Corp that I'm the member of, and then I register as a multi-member on eBay and use my friend's passport. At
Yeah.
that point, I'm just interested about like, the taxes and stuff, whether any of that will go to him or if that's a
It'll go to the
viable.
S corp.
Okay, so that's one
Yeah.
viable option. And then the last option was agency and whether I just get a friend and I'd stick one computer in the house, one account, right?
Right, exactly.
And
So I would, like the
what?
close friends and family I have, I
Yeah.
just take their ID and make the S corp, right? Um,
Mm,
but if you're not close with them, then the agency is what I would run with them after.
cool. So you would do agency, just one account per person, right? I'm
One
assuming.
account per
If
person
it's,
now.
yeah, cool. And then we can do S Corp. And there's all that little stuff like what addresses I use. I'm assuming it should just be different every time, right? Different address, different residential address, stuff like that.
In what context?
Like when you make the S Corp, like what should the address of the S Corp be? I'm assuming like a different real.
Different, yeah, like 5 accounts per S corp, but different. But you should probably hold off on everything until you finish successfully this batch.
That's what I'm thinking as well.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe about just setting up the computer, starting more of the browsers, but just waiting on any creation until,
Right.
because
Regarding creation, you should probably finish this batch, right? There's
yeah.
no rush, like if eBay is gonna be here for like forever anyways, right?
Mm,
eBay dropshipping, I've been doing this for 8 years. It's not gonna stop anytime soon, right? Yeah. My
yeah,
recommendation would be that you fire up this batch, and if you want to scale further, start the agency model on the side. So you're busy with establishing that while the time for this one is eclipsing.
I get you. I get you. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, as we get closer to it, I'll probably have more questions, but it's just going to be about how to best create that second, third, fourth S Corp, all the little stuff. But I think I have a good idea. I'm just obviously a bit rattled right now with the current account. So yeah, I'll let you know.
Yeah, I think here a great person to connect with would be Reforged.
I did. I've been
Nice.
messaging, talking to him.
Nice.
Does he do status change or not? Because I
He
was just
creates the
wondering.
accounts with the S Corp and then other primary contacts.
So he creates S Corp and then other primary contacts. Okay.
Exactly.
That's exactly what you were telling me to do, right?
Right, exactly. But he's
Yeah.
he's kind of established in that path.
Yeah, he told me recently one of his accounts just got randomly banned for no reason after like a year. It's really unfortunate, but
It's never random. There's something that won't happen. But
yeah.
right, there's what when we say random, it just means we don't know what he doesn't know the answer to it today.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
betcha.
All right, cool. I get you. All right, cool. Thank you, man.
Yeah, how are your main accounts doing?
So eBay one is like unlinked. That one's continuing to do 1 to 2K a month profit. So that's kind of my secure bastion. And then I'm warming up 4 and 5, and I can make a six as well. I don't know why I've held off of that, but I'm gonna make the six, and that's gonna be that five in that batch essentially. So
Nice. Nice.
that's the situation right now. And yeah, I was just wondering about how I should proceed because some people are telling me, like I was talking to Clayco and he wasn't recommending status change. So.
Klecko, that's just his personal prerogative, and I respect it.
Yeah, I mean, I respect it as well, but I was
Right.
just wondering because some
I don't
people
agree
think
with
that.
it.
Yeah, again, I think the main reason why is because of the rent. Because like my fourth eBay got randomly MC999. Like it just happens, I think, no matter what you put in.
Exactly. So I don't agree with Klecko's philosophy on it, but I think we have the agency and sovereignty to choose however way we wish to go about it.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
No, I get you. All
Uh,
right, all
yeah.
right. Thank you, Sammy. I appreciate the time. I'll
Yeah,
get
you
back to
betcha.
it.
No
Yeah.
worries, man.